now we can try the pork as we zoom in.
Look at that, folks. Perfect. Hey everybody, welcome to the Fully Packed RV Cooking Show. Not in the garage. Yeah, we're actually out at a campsite for a change. How amazing. Here we are in Myrtle Beach. And we've already had a couple of meals here on our Blackstone. We had a nice breakfast with our friend Christina. Al's in the kitchen, getting us some really nice jasmine coconut rice going on. I'm about to griddle some pork chops. And some previously presented to us mushrooms and onions that are in this amazing sauce, because we went to Ruth Chris for dinner last night for Al's birthday. And that was just amazing, as you can imagine. Just fixing to throw these chops on and warm up the veggies. It should be done right about the same time. It's going to be pretty fantastic. Yeah, it's fun to cook outside. It's fun to be outside, I gotta tell you. Been far too long, and simply cannot wait to get all this going on. Have a nice campfire meal. There goes the first chops. Look at these babies. Farm raised, SteAmy Farms. Gotta love it. How you doing, Amy? Hope you enjoy this cook as much as we're gonna enjoy eating it. So far, our trip has just been phenomenal. And these are the veggies I was talking about. I got them in a little foil pack. Got to tuck them in the corner where it's not ever quite as high heat. And get my timers going. So I'll be back in a second while those sizzle. So because it's really nice pork, I'm going to try to do 4 minutes aside to start. We'll see how that works out. Luckily, I don't have to really rely on my own personal opinions. I've got this little device to help me out. Little thermometer probe. Isn't that wonderful? It says it's 78 degrees. Oh my goodness. Been waiting for temperatures like this for I don't know how long. So, honey, this is telling me a well done pork chop is 170 degrees.
Yeah, it's well done.
But it's not telling me.
145.
Alright, 145 you want? Alright, thank you. So yeah, we made it safely to Myrtle Beach. We're loving life, and happy to be actually doing an outdoor cooking show outdoors, not in the garage for a change. But, you know, every day is another adventure here, making someday now. So we don't take anything for granted. Everything we do right now, it's been nothing but bliss. A lot of fun. Meeting a lot of super nice people that are locals, that live right here at the KOA, Myrtle Beach. And staff are amazing. Keeping this place running, keeping it getting crazy. We really appreciate that a lot because, you know, ultimately we really want to relax and enjoy our time here. It's not all about wild lifestyle. So actually kind of avoiding some of that best we can. And yeah, that edging is starting to cook up nice. We're going to look for a little bit of a sear. I don't want to mess with these too much because I actually want them to cook, but you can see the sear we're getting on the bottom there. Looks perfect. Just got to flip this every now and again. We'll let those juices reconstitute in there. And see if we can't get to a good end result here on this cook. I think it's going to be awesome. I can't wait. So I just need to throw a little pepper on here. Everything else has been taken care of by the lovely Allison. She always does a great job preparing my food. She is the best sous chef in the world, ladies and gentlemen, and I mean that. And the reason for that is she really loves good food, so she understands how important that really is. And that it's such a task-driven thing to be a good sous chef. You have to be on point.
Oh, I am so much.
Oh, I know that, but I'm saying, as a sous chef, you are the second to none.
Yes, I know one.
Yeah.
I would want my sous chef to do everything for me that I would do.
Exactly my point. You appreciate it. A little bit of oil under here. I don't want any of this awesome flavoring and granulated garlic to stick. So look at that. Oh yeah, we're getting there. You know, somebody might laugh, somebody might not get it, but like I sometimes forget that it's not Teflon. And it's so black and beautiful. I'm afraid I'm going to scratch it with my metal tools, but we all know that's not going to happen. But I just forget. Yep. Some are getting closer than others. Whoa, that was really there. That one's the lightest. So what I'm going to do is take advantage of the hot spot, throw that one over there, this one down here. It's probably the thicker of the three, by far. Oh. Yeah, 8-minute chops. Can't beat that with a stick, kids. So everything so far is going great. Dogs are enjoying themselves. Tilly is becoming a grown-up right before our eyes. is fantastic. We had an awesome day down at the pool today, which I haven't been able to say in a very long time. So, yeah, Myrtle Beach is a happening thing. This is looking really good. Just loving what I'm seeing. Might give them one more flip to get that sear going up again. I want to get them to that 140 nice and smoothly. This one's already saying it's there. So I might have to pull that one because it's thinner or it's both multiple. So I'm just going to throw that in a little bit of emergency tray. I just want to check though. Yeah, it's there. Alright. Oh, that's nice. Really good looking job. There you go. Keeping it warm. Over here. Well, these two bad boys keep going. They're definitely the ones we want to get cooked all the way through, given that they're the majority of the meat, and they're almost there themselves. Strange. Some parts. Just want to be careful with pork. I mean, things have come a long way and they're a lot better than they were, but still got to be real careful. Throw a little bit of pepper back on this side. That looks to be warming up real nice. And looking forward to a nice night relaxing after dinner for a change. Don't have anywhere to go, nothing to do. Everything is going great. I think we're going to sit by the fire pit and wash the afterglow of a wonderful day down. A little bit of adult beverage. It's always a pleasure. And I think these are about done. Eight minutes, give or take. Start to finish. Pretty happy about that. Yeah, we're ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'll try to take a video of this with my phone on the other side, but the cook is over. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.
Okay, guys, here we are. The reveal, so to speak. Jerry is the Blackstone king. Yummy looking pork chop, perfectly seasoned. Well, that was me. And nicely browned. And I love the fact that he laughs at my humor.
Oh.
And here are leftover mushrooms and onions from our dinner last night. We couldn't see throwing them away since I brought neither one of them on our trip. So we thought we would use the leftovers since they were so delicious. So these are criminy mushrooms and Vidalia onions, sauteed. The onions were sauteed using thyme and one of our favorite herbs. That's fine. You don't have to give me a lot, babe.
Okay. Just want some of this, right?
Yes, juice. Gotta have juice. Oh, and look how the sun hits the plate.
It's like,
oh, goodness.
yeah, fantastico.
And then in here, my beautiful new Le Creuset. I had to buy this color because it matches everything.
Oh, look at that.
And this is, yes, I'm cheating. This is Knorr.
Nothing wrong with that.
Broccoli and cheddar rice. That's enough for me. And then we just put the top back on it in case we want more. And our doggos are having a fit because people are walking around. And I guess he's not going to taste it, so I'm going to end it right here. Ciao. Okay, he's back.
Sorry.
And now we can try the pork as we zoom in.
Look at that, folks. Perfect. Perfect.
There's
touch.
no red.
Nope.
And
a hint
just
of
a
pink.
slight pink. And this was cooked to 145, babe?
Oh. Mmm.
I think he likes it tender.
It's tender, so sweet. The flavorfulness of the meat is overwhelmingly amazing. The criminy mushroom with its existing sauce that we had with the filet last night is just over the top. Brings this really to another level. So yeah, happy to be outdoor cooking finally.
And babe,
Yeah,
where did we get the pork chops?
our pork chops were already mentioned that we got it from SteAmy Farms.
Oh, I didn't know you already mentioned it.
Did.
I'm sorry.
And I said hello to Amy, and if she's gonna watch, and we will make sure to title this appropriately. So, farm raised, local farm, grass fed, you know, all organic, no hormones. You can't beat it. If you have the option, even if you got to drive a while to get to one of these kind of farms, I highly recommend it. When we eat this food, we don't walk away from the table needing a nap usually. You know, that's one side effect. We actually walk away feeling
Good.
excited. We get the dishes done, you know, everything's cleaned up. And then we carry on with our evenings. So yeah, I hats off to all those local farmers out there who care about doing it the old-fashioned way. And they have our respect and love.
In love, because our freezer is stocked
Yeah,
with beautiful meats.
absolutely.
And it's what is sustaining us from a meat perspective anyway
Oh,
on this trip. So all we're buying is seafood. So
you know what I love about the Knorr rice? In this particular one, it's real quick and easy to put together. It's always creamy and tender. And this one is the hint of broccoli, which means at some point they rubbed one broccoli collet into it. But you can add more broccoli to it, like anything, right? So you can take something out of a package or even a can and really punch it up. You know, even minute rice, you can turn that into an amazing gourmet rice if you add the right things to it. So don't be afraid to experiment. Don't follow the instructions. Just go with it. Make it your own. Have fun.
And don't really think that it's a bad thing that you use a packaged rice, because in a pinch, I will use minute rice. It's not my preference, but I will use it. And when combined with the right fresh ingredients, it's delicious. You'd never know it was minute rice.
Right.
And
especially when you're RVing, space is a premium. So, you know, you have to think about it. Do I want to hump around, you know, a 25-pound bag of rice, you know, in an RV? No, you don't. You know, you don't want that. So
we did bring jasmine rice. I brought one of those containers like that you can buy it in the store, the plastic containers, except we had bought a 25-pound bag, and I just put enough for probably, I would say, 6 cups of rice. It fits. So that's 6 meals on the road for rice. And Jerry is a rice and potato, especially rice, fanatic.
I love rice.
So
I'm a
we
bad
always,
Irishman. I would rather have rice than potato any day.
yeah.
That's just how I'm wired.
So that's why we usually have protein and rice. So that's kind of our eating habits. I tend to lean more towards salads, so we will do that like for lunches. I'll make myself and get my salad fix at lunch, while he can make himself a deli sandwich, which has been invaluable. We went out to the deli and bought cheeses and meats and rolls, so we can whip. If he gets really hungry or hangry, he can whip himself up a quick sandwich and satisfy that. Yeah, he does get the hangries. So he's enjoying his meal. I would like to do the same. So I'm going to say ciao, and we will see you on the flip side.